Yoning specializes in high-strength boiler grates and casting parts, designed for efficient combustion and long service life. With precision manufacturing and heat-resistant materials, our products ensure reliable performance in industrial boiler systems.